Hey, today is an amazing class about can you name these things in English? This is part 2. If you missed the first class, then you can check the link in the description. We have several objects and things around us. We use words for such things. These words are names of those things. But if you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and you are watching MK Learning. Let's get started for an amazing class. A person with a hump on their back. We will say hunchback. A third person in the company of two lovers. We will say gooseberry. Dip food into drink or soap before eating it. We will say dunk. What is this? This is jackboot, a leather military boot reaching to the knees. Sprain. Cross-legged. Buck teeth. The upper teeth project over the lower lip. Bottle opener. White ant or termite. What about this one? This is stationery organizer. And what is this? Lipstick organizer. What about this one? Washing gloves. What is this? Face massager and cleanser. What about this one? Balloon air pump. What is this? Mobile holder. And what is this? This is marble sheet. What about this one? Handbag organizer hanger. What is this? This is wall corner rack. What about this one? Toothpaste dispenser. And this is swing chair. What is this? Portable jewelry case. What is this? Travel passport cover. What is this? Circle folding plastic magic. What is this? This is dish rack. And what about this one? This is charging holder. What is this? This is shoes organizer. And the last one, what is this? This is baby nursing pillow. I hope this video will be helpful for you. After watching this video, you will be able to name these objects in English. And if you are interested in new video of this kind, tell me in comments. I read all the comments. And get ready for the class 3. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching MK Learning.